Many beginners quit their journey of English speaking because of being judged and fear of mistakes behind every quitter who just quitting their journey of English speaking. You should try to think with your own self. There is any need to think about people, what they are speaking, what they are suggesting to you all about your journey, what you are doing. If you are learning English language and if you are making mistakes, and they will there is no any possibility of they will say definitely you are making these kind of situations in your own head, and you are thinking and you are making those situations whether they are speaking or not. You are thinking about your own self, and you are just making and you are creating every situation, and you are thinking very negative about your own self, what will happen, and they will make fun of me, and they will laugh at myself when I'll make mistakes, and what will happen, these kind of things will start happening with me. Stop it, my friend. Stop doing like this. Stop thinking negative about your own self. Stop thinking negative about your own journey. What you really need to do, you just only need to do practice. Just be dedicated for that, and just keep focusing on your target, whatever you want to achieve. And today here I'm just talking about learning English. Okay, so I'm speaking all the thing with that perspective. I'm just trying to make you all understand if you're making mistakes. Okay, so that's not a big thing, that's not a weakness of yours, that's the strength of yours. If you're making mistakes, it means you are learning, and you should be happy on your mistakes. What you will get if you will do mistakes, if you will do mistakes, then it will show you about your journey, it will show your learning. It means you are doing practice, you are learning, and you are trying your best for achieving those things. Okay, so from today, stop being afraid of people, stop being afraid of mistakes. Just do a lot of mistakes and learn from those mistakes. That's it. There is no any extra thing you just need to do. Stop being afraid of being judged. Do you know what I'm trying to tell you? If you are getting my point, so you will definitely apply those things. And from today onwards, just just forget about those things which is stopping you for achieving your goals, which is stopping you for doing practice. I'm observing in your journey, the first one, you are making mistakes while speaking, because of that you are feeling underconfident. Second thing is about fear of people, fear of being judged. This is what you all are facing. So from today, just stop thinking and stop fearing about those things, whatever I have explained you, these two things. If you will keep focusing on these two things, then just forget that you can do this, forget that you will be able to speak. You can't do it. If you will see, and if you will observe, and if you will remind, and if you will think again and again in yourself, in your mind, and if you will say, if you will think again and again negative about your own self, then nothing will happen. Just forget that you can achieve that fluency, whatever you are expecting for. Okay, so that's all things. This is what I just wanted to share with you all, and that was especially for beginners who just feeling underconfident and who just about to quit their journey of English speaking because of these small two reasons. Just stop that. Okay, and from today, just believe in yourself and just keep focusing and just do that whatever you want to do. That's it.